Check out this 2020 Ford Super Duty. It's the F-250 XLT crew cab with a 6.2 liter gas engine on it. It has 28,700 miles on the engine right now, so it's pretty much a baby. In fact, it's still under factory warranty in many different areas for a while, in addition to the warranty that we put on it at the dealership. We've got the bed liner, of course. Towing package. We'll check out the inside. These seats will fold up. Let's see if I could do it with one hand. There we go. And this actually pops up too for storage area. Very cool. Let's check out the inside. This seat will also fold up if you want a spot for a third passenger. You can also see here, you can see 28,000 right there, 786.7 miles. Plug in your laptop here if you'd like. Reverse camera, of course, lane departure warning, all of those different features here. The one right here beside the hazard lights, that's to keep your speed constant when going downhill. It's quite important in a big truck like this, especially if you're pulling something. If you would like to finance this awesome truck, go to our website, westmitsubishi.com. You can also call us at 530-655-WEST. But we have a credit application online. By the time that you're finished filling it out, you'll know if you're going to be approved or not. We don't care if you've got good credit, bad credit, or no credit at all. We can almost always get you into a truck like this, or just about any vehicle. I'll give a personal example. April 2019, almost 2 years ago now, had a 530 score, which, as you know, is pretty bad. Still got approved to finance a brand new vehicle through Capital One. Here it is, not even 2 years later. My score is above 700, and I've financed yet another vehicle since then. So we specialize in helping people out in ways like that. So don't be ashamed if your score is not the place where you want it to be. Also, check out our Google reviews. More than 1,250 of our customers have left us a review. We have a 4.9 out of 5 average, higher than any other dealership in this area. And then come on in and see us. We look forward to adding you to the West Mitsubishi family today, and we'll see you soon.
Great. I told them exactly what my budget was, what I wanted to be at on my loan, and they hit the mark. The other car dealerships didn't.
I would always be turned down. So one night I came in here, I got approved. This is the place to buy a car. They're very friendly. They help you. 3 friends, they bought cars here. My kids are buying cars here. They do everything.
West Mitsubishi, they're honest, and that's what I like about them.
It's all about trust. When you're building a relationship with the customer, I like to have someone answer my questions. They gave me all the information I needed, but it wasn't a high pressure situation.
All of the employees that work at West Mitsubishi are just professional, and they're just the best. That's why they work at West Mitsubishi.
Outstanding customer service.
And they're willing to help you in any way they can. That's what I love about them.